Hello students, hope all of you are doing well. I am Maliha Tabassum. I will be teaching pure mathematics. So for class 8, our first lesson on simultaneous equations, remainder and factor theorem, and we will be following the book Pure Mathematics by Li Peng. Let's come to our learning objective. So after this session, you will be able to define what a linear equation is. You will understand what it means for two equations to be simultaneous, and you will be able to solve two linear equations with two variables using different method. One is elimination method and another is substitution method. Here is an example of simultaneous linear equation. Now come to the point, what is a linear equation and what is a non-linear equation? A linear equation is an equation of the first degree. It means it contains only linear term. It means that power of the variable x and y will be 1. But when the power or exponent of variables x and y is more than 1, 2 or 3, those equations are non-linear equations. Here I would like to mention that in our book, in first chapter, we have simultaneous non-linear equations, but in order to make your basics stronger, in order to consolidate your basic knowledge, at first we will discuss on simultaneous linear equations. And for this purpose, I have made a worksheet. Later, I will upload that worksheet on GC. So this is an example of a set of simultaneous linear equations. And what is simultaneous linear equation? It is a set of equations with multiple variables that are solved together. It means the solution satisfies all equations. So by solving these two equations, we will get one x value and we will get one y value. And this x value and y value will satisfy both the equations. As I said earlier, we will discuss two methods. One is elimination method, another is substitution method. Another point I want to mention that while we solve simultaneous nonlinear equations, which are given in our book in chapter 1, that time mostly we will use substitution method. But here I will discuss both the method. Come to the point. This is one example of simultaneous equation. First equation is x plus y equals to 8, and the second equation is x minus y equals to 2. So we can see that on the left side of the first equation, we have x plus y, and on the left-hand side of the second equation, we have x minus y. So if we add these two equations, left side will be added to the left side and right side will be added to the right side. Let's do it. So when we are adding x plus y plus x minus y, and on right side, it will be added to 2. So we are having twice x is equals to 10. Plus y minus y will be cancelled out. 2 times x equals to 10. 2 is multiplied with x. We want to find the value for x. So x equals to 10 over 2, which is 5. Now we got x value. If we put this x value in either of this equation, it's up to us. We will get the y value. So let's consider the first equation, which is x plus y equals to 8. So in the first equation, instead of x, we will put 5 plus y equals to 8. And if we change the side of 5, plus 5 will become minus 5. And we will get y equals to 3. So these two are the solution for our simultaneous linear equation. 5 and 3 are the solutions. Value for x, y, 5 and 3. Now let's check. In first equation, if x is 5 and y is 3, 5 plus 3 is 8. It's true. And in second equation also, if x is 5 and y is 3, 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. So our solution is correct. So you can cross-check your answer by putting the value. Isn't it easy? Pretty straightforward and simple method. Elimination method where we can eliminate one variable. So here we eliminated variable y. Then have a look at the next example. X minus y equals to 1, 2x plus y equals to 8. Here we can use the substitution method. First equation is x minus y equals to 1 and the second equation is 2x plus y equals to 8. So from the first equation, we can find out the x value. We can write x equals to 1 plus y. So this is equation 3. We can name. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Okay. So we got x equals to 1 plus y from our first equation. Now, if we put this x value in equation 2, so instead of 2x, we can write 2 times 1 plus y. Instead of x, we are putting the value, we are substituting the value 1 plus y, then plus y is equals to 8. Now remove the bracket, 2 will be multiplied with 1 and y. Plus 2y plus y is equals to 8. So we are getting 3y equals to 8 minus 2. Is changing the sign, plus 2 will become minus 2. So 3y is equals to 6. So 3 times y equals to 6. So y equals to 6 over 3, which is 2. So we got the y value. Now, if we put this y value in equation 3, we will get the x value. So x equals to 1 plus y. Instead of y, we will put 2. So x equals to 3. So these are our solution for this set of equations. One is 3, x is 3, and y is 2. So now let's check our answers. For the first equation, if we are putting x as 3 and y as 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. So first equation is true. And in second equation, if we put 3 instead of x, we are getting 3 to the 6 plus 2 is 8. So 2 times 3 plus 2, we are getting 8. So this equation is also satisfied for the both values. So our answer is correct. So this is also pretty straightforward and simple method. This is substitution method because we have substituted the value for x. I hope all of you have understood. And now we will move to our next example and I will give you some time to solve by yourself. This is easy. X plus y equals to 3 and minus x plus y equals to 1. So what you can do, you can add these two equations in elimination method. Plus x and minus x will be cancelled out. Also, you can do substitution method if you wish to. So it's up to you which method you will follow. And students, if you have any query or if you have any question to ask, please communicate me through your email. You will get my email address in my GC. So I hope you like the video and this will be your classwork. I think you will all be able to solve this classwork by yourself and communicate with me through email if you have any problem. So I will be looking forward to meet with you and we will share a lot more videos as well. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you, everyone.